In mid-January 2024, my fiancée Kathy and I started on a 34-day trip through Central America. We started in Vancouver, Canada, and got a cheap flight to Cancun via Mexico City and spent 2 nights there. We would then travel south to Playa del Carmen to meet up with our G Adventures group, who we would spend the next 30 days with. Here's our first morning in Cancun. Alright, just stepping out of our hotel in Cancun. Here's my beautiful fiancée. Looking pretty good, walking down Mexico streets. Love it here, you know. Nice view. Jungle. Warm weather, 28 degrees. Got a pool on top of our hotel that we'll check out later. Alright, we already have our first water activity. A little bit of flooded road by our hotel. Luckily enough, we can just walk around it. I love Mexico. We're right by this nice jungle here too. Hear frogs chirping in the night. Oh, and we have a first toilet sighting too. Who knows what excites that woman, huh? Women are meant to be loved, not understood. Just walked out onto the beach, public access road. Gonna look for a place to eat. First view of Cancun water. I'm liking it, looks pretty good. Alright, just walking off the beach. We had some french fries and guacamole, it was alright. Went for a dip in the beach and it was okay too. Walking back to the hotel. Yeah, we were a little surprised about the beach, to be honest. There's a few pebbles and things in the water. It's a little bit cold, but you know, we're not in the hotel zone. We just went to the free beach, so it's all good. We're moving down to Playa del Carmen tomorrow. I'm sure that'll be nice. I'm looking forward to the rooftop pool and a few cerveza.
Yeah.
Alright, we're at Casa de Jaguar Pizza. We got some pretty nice food. We got back to the hotel and started feeling a little low energy, and then we realized last thing we ate really was Subway, and then when we went for a walk
24 hours ago at the airport.
We had some, you know, french fries like we mentioned earlier, but then we realized, man, we're a little dumb. So we just barely made it here. We basically crawled. And then we got this pizza, we're munching it now, feeling a bit better. Now we're gonna be able to hang out in the hotel pool. Walking back, have a good meal in us. Both feeling good, but we did see another toilet. Pretty hype. Gonna grab some beers, hang out on the pool now. All right, in the hotel, got our beer. Walking up to the nice pool here. Ooh, looks pretty good. I don't think I can waste any time. I'm going right in. You need after a 28-degree day. Alright. Feeling much better after a nice dip in the pool. Now I'm walking up to this nice little terrace, gonna look around. And I gotta say, it's quite nice having this hotel to myself. I think we got it for 110 Canadian for 2 nights, which is pretty great when you compare to how much you spend for an all-inclusive. So as you can see, pretty much the highest building around. You can see all this. That's just a nature reserve. There's a big lagoon in the middle. Over here, that building with the blue tower, that's the ferry that takes you to the Isle Mujeres, which is cool. And then a little bit more, you can just see a bit of a red dot. That tower over there. That's about as far as we walked today. The public beach that we went to, which was okay, but again, a little disappointing. Meanwhile, this beach down here, very nice. See a little seating area, a little place for drinks. Very good. You can really tell looking at the skyline that this is just for people that live in the area and work with the tourists. See the hotel zone over there. They're building more hotels. Well, I think it's time. After walking around all day, quite a few kilometers, just to relax in the pool and drink a beer. Start of day 2, full days in Mexico. We're checking out of our first hotel. Here's what it looks like. Pretty nice little simple setup. Little kitchen, washing dishes, stuff like that. Here's the bathroom. Nothing crazy. Worked for our needs. Like I said, it was inexpensive, and the rooftop pool was really nice. Now we're walking down to the ADO bus terminal, downtown Cancun, and we're on our way to Playa del Carmen. We're about halfway to the ADO terminal. I'm gonna stop and get some tacos on the way. Been having a nice walk. It's not too hot. Nice graffiti on the walls. A little cloudy today. Loving it. Alright, we stopped for some food. Pretty good. Alright, we're at the train station, bus station. Got our ticket. Only 216 pesos. Not too expensive. Hour and a half ride. Looking forward to it. Checked in at our hotel 12Bs after a little 10-minute walk through. It's not too bad. Meeting up with our tour group in a few minutes. We walked to the Walmart as well. Got some water and stuff, snacks for our little mountain bike adventure tomorrow, which will be fun. Here's what our room looks like. I don't think your room will come with the small woman though. We linked up with our tour. Just going for a walk to a restaurant now. Everyone seems really nice. We're here for just a few days. Raining. A little chilly to be honest. This is what I was expecting, but
Still pretty good though.
still able to walk around in t-shirt and shorts, so no problem. Had a little meal with the group. Talked with everyone. Super nice. Everyone was nice to talk to. Had some tacos, enchiladas,
yeah.
very yummy.
Very good food.
Tonight, 9:30, time for bed.
Early wake up tomorrow.
Yeah, mountain bike, yeah. Stopped by the grocery store, got some snacks. Yogurt, muffin, little nut granola bar things. We went up to the restaurant at the top of our hotel, but the waitress set us down and then she just disappeared for like 10 minutes. We have to leave in half an hour, so I was like, well, I don't think there's time for that. So we left. Anyways, we're walking back now. We can eat our breakfast. And then go on our mountain bike ride. That's the superstore behind us. Well, the Super Aki. There's also a Walmart down the road too, but the Super Aki has better prices. Nice to shop there. Nice to try something new. Alright, we're here mountain biking. Met up with Alex. Katya's just ahead of us. Ooh, we threw a big puddle. Really nice terrain, nice and flat, just because we're looking at the selva, the jungle. Katya's doing a good job mountain biking. Our guide is nice. Got these cute little spelunking helmets for later. Got our water in our pack. Having fun. Katya, give me a smile. Riding under some construction. bikes down, walking down the hill.
Okay. My happy geologist, I'm going to continue.
Roots. At the back of the cenote here. Just going down the back here where there's a bit of a cave. Nice and warm here. Water's so refreshing after that bike ride. You can really see the limestone in the roof. It's pretty obviously from coral too. The way it's eroding, you can see the little pockets in there in between the structures. Unlike other limestone, which is, you know, less coral and more just layers of shells all bunched together. Got the whole cave to ourselves. Walking down into the cave now. In the cave together. Wow. Partway through, just at another collapse where the sun comes in. Very nice. These roots come down from the ceiling, keep growing, and then keep going down to look for water. We crawled through here, going this way. Wow. And look, tree branches everywhere. Underground cenote.
Woo! Nice.
Wow. Woo! You can see the underground cenote. Katia
Just
jumped
went
in too.
yeah.
Super deep. Little island in the center where we sat. Goes back a little ways. There's a little rope to climb up over there. I dove down. Absolutely crazy.
Yeah, the waves crashing into
What do you think, Katia?
Awesome.
That bat scared me. Alright, we're just done our caving adventure. Ready to go back, off on the bikes. Walking out from 5th Avenue, just had a yummy dinner with the group. Going back to sleep because we have to be on a 4:30 a.m. bus to Belize tomorrow. It's festive around here, but nice. The next leg of our journey would have us leaving Playa del Carmen early in the morning for a long bus ride to Belize City and then a short water ferry to Key Cocker, a beautiful Caribbean island.